Hey guys, and welcome back to another monthly plan with me. I know it's already like halfway through March by the time this goes up, but long story short, I was not feeling well this day when I was supposed to film it, and so now it's happening today. So I am using this kit from Hello Petit paper for this month. And I have all my plans written down here so I can fill that out, but let's get started. It is very hard to believe that it's already March. Never mind the fact that it's already the, 11th right now? I like this kit, how it's like has the green without being like St. Patrick's Day, because I'm not the biggest. I don't think I've ever gone out for St. Patrick's Day, but I don't go out a lot to begin with. And then this is going to go here. And I apologize if you can hear any background noise. I don't even think filming downstairs would make much of a difference. Oh no, okay, this kit doesn't have numbers, so I will have to write those in. Oh, look at that, that's smart. Okay, does this fit? There. I don't know. Okay. Spring forward. St. Patrick's Day. Okay. I'm going to put this on this day. Plus put St. Patrick's Day there, because this is going to be a special day because I am picking up my wedding dress, which is super exciting. And in terms of other stuff, okay, let's do blog posts first. So this one is monthly favorites, February. This one is spring at Walt Disney World. This one is like my DIY bridesmaids proposal, so how I kind of proposed to my bridal party and asked them to stand with me on my big day. And this one is my 7th trip to Walt Disney World, so just everything I still remember from that trip and things like that. I'm going to put this here because that was my cousin's birthday, which we went out that night, and if you can put 2 and 2 together, that is why I was not feeling well on that day. And the 14th is my mom's birthday. Yesterday I had an eye doctor's appointment, and on last Tuesday I got my hair done. Let's see if there's anything else that's like special this month. Maybe I'll do this for like my cousin's birthday, like a girls' night out type thing. And then I think I will stick these labels down here for plan with me's, and then I'll write in weekend vlogs just because there's 5 of them. I'm going to put a heart here because that is 6 months until the wedding, which, holy moly. Okay, I'm going to do payday down here. So that was Ethan. That was me. I'm gonna move this up a little bit. And, oh, I'll do Good Friday because that is a day off. So I will write in my weekend vlogs, which is 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, which is crazy. Okay, now, I don't know what you would use this for. I guess like travel or something, which I'm not traveling, so. But, so I'm going to pick, I'm gonna start with health and fitness. I'm starting tomorrow a 6-week meal plan from Tone It Up. So I'm a nutrition plan member. So I'm doing their challenge that they actually did at the beginning of January. So I did the 5-day detox, I think like the week after they did it, and then they did a 6-week meal plan right after that. So now I'm doing that, and my hope is to do it back, like do different ones back to back to back to back to back for the next 6 months. So we'll see how that goes, but that's kind of the goal, because now, yeah, 6 months, it's go time. I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna list here, but we're just gonna fill this up. And that's gonna be that. So I still have some little icons left, some labels, and that. But that is a look. I love how like floral and light and bright this is. I am so excited for spring. I'm so ready for winter to be over that I can't wait. If you want to see this filled out, make sure to follow me on Instagram at AStickerObsession, because I share the spreads filled out, like my weekly spreads and stuff, as well as I will try to share these. I've been really bad at filling them out, like, okay, that, well, kind of did okay, but like, so, gonna try and fill this out, and I will definitely share a look at it filled out. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this monthly plan with me, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.